Hello friends, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you step-by-step process of physical installation and configuration of Hikvision IP camera system without PoE switch. Also I will show you how to set up HikConnect application in your mobile and see your CCTV camera video on your mobile screen. So let's get started and let me show you my network diagram and physical connectivity. I already have an internet router from my internet provider at my home and I will connect this with my Hikvision NVR on LAN port via Cat6 LAN cable. Then I connect my Hikvision IP cameras to this NVR via another LAN cable. Here I am using two outdoor bullet cameras and one indoor dome camera in this video. To see the camera display, I connect one end of HDMI cable on HDMI port of Hikvision NVR and second end we will connect to our display monitor HDMI port. After that, I will connect Hikvision NVR with power source and power on the NVR. So this is our network diagram and let's go back to our physical devices and do some physical connectivity. So to do the physical connectivity, I'm going to use this LAN cable and I connect one end to my Hikvision NVR LAN port and second end I connect to my internet router. Now I take another LAN cable and this time I connect one end to Hikvision outdoor bullet camera and the other end into the Hikvision NVR. Let's use port number 1 this time. Let's connect the second camera in the same way. I take another LAN cable and one end I connect to my second outdoor bullet camera side and the other end into the Hikvision NVR. Let's use port number 2 this time. Now I take another LAN cable and this time I connect one end to Hikvision indoor dome camera side and other end to the Hikvision NVR. Let's use port number 3 this time. I hope so you notice I'm not using any kind of PoE switch in this video. So we connect our all three cameras to Hikvision IP NVR successfully. And now it's time to connect the display monitor to the NVR. I have a LED TV at my home and I'm going to use that in this video.